Good evening. This is the cryptocurrency news. It's alive! The AI-powered crypto index. All right. I'm trying my best to put on a Halloween themed cryptocurrency news. That's about all you're getting out of me. Sorry. So, to get started on this, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I'm not smarter than you. You are smarter than you realize. Do not trust what I say. Do your own research. And when I say do your own research, I really mean that. When you watch one of my videos, if you find the content of that video interesting, then please go out and do some more research on that. There's plenty of information out there on all of the subjects that I cover. And I'm wanting to just kind of whet your appetite so that you'll dig deeper on your own, because the breadth, the amount of information out there for cryptocurrency is huge. It's just enormous. And so the best way for you to make money and to do really well with cryptocurrency is for you to become educated, because it's through knowledge that you'll gain the power to gain wealth. And that's really what our channel is all about. We're here to kind of whet your appetite so that you'll gain enough knowledge that you'll gain wealth. Anyway, enough of that. So, Nasdaq listed AI-powered crypto index for top 100 coins. And when I first saw that, the first thing that popped into my mind with AI-powered crypto was all of those movies that you saw where the Terminator, or I'm trying to think of the one that was with Matthew Broderick. It was a long time ago. War Games, I think, was the name of the movie. Anyway, computers took over the world because they became to a certain extent, self-aware, self-cognizant. They became so smart that they were able to set off nuclear bombs and just control the world and all that kind of stuff. And so whenever I think of artificial intelligence, sometimes that pops into my mind, all of the sci-fi movies of these machines that end up taking control over the planet, or computers that take control over the planet, or some variety of the above. Anyway, all of that aside, and I thought that worked out well with the Halloween, because this is coming out I'm publishing this on Halloween, and or right around Halloween. And so I just thought it kind of went well with the time of year that we're talking about. So anyway, the world's second largest stock exchange, Nasdaq, has listed the AI-powered CIX 100 index created by a crypto data provider, Crypto Index. The news was revealed in a press release shared with Cointelegraph on October 15th. Neural network-based analysis. The CIX 100 is crypto market benched that analyzes and uses a neural network algorithm to analyze data for the top 100 cryptocurrencies, taking into account over 200 different factors, reportedly designed to exclude coins with fake volumes and rankings. The human-free tool targets both industry newcomers and professional investors. According to the press release, the data is derived from the 9 largest cryptocurrency exchanges globally and factors in the results of millions of trades alongside news releases and social media. Only coins that have consistently made it into the top 200 for the last 3 consecutive months are included in the index, which is rebalanced every month. Now, the Crypto 6 CIX 100, which is already listed on Reuters, Bloomberg, and TradingView, has reportedly gained 1,100% since its establishment in May 2017. Its AI-based predictions reportedly perform with 82% daily accuracy. Wow, that's spectacular. And As I've been in the computer industry for over 20 years, I've been writing software. I've been involved in very, very large projects, including with a state government, pharmaceuticals, all kinds of different things. I'm finding it fascinating what's happening today with neural networks and just how far technology is going. Cryptocurrency and Bitcoin alone is a scientific, it's a computer science and cryptographic breakthrough in the way that everything was put together. They took a whole bunch of pieces of different ideas that were already out there. The whole concept of blockchain has been out there since, if I remember correctly, I think it was the mid-90s when somebody actually conceived the idea of blockchain, but it wasn't until Bitcoin that it actually was utilized. And there's a whole lot of other things that were brought together to make Bitcoin actually function and work. They just grabbed bits and pieces of all these different things, and the end result was something brand new, something unique, and something that has the potential to make a huge difference globally in the financial industry. And, if you've been watching the news at all, you already know that cryptocurrency is making a significant impact globally in the financial industry. For China, for the Central Bank of China to say, hey, we're coming out with a cryptocurrency, that has a global impact and will have a global impact on our finances. So anyway, I thought this was interesting. I really wanted to share it with you. How can I be of service to you? Is there any way that I can help you out? Do you have any questions? Do you have any thoughts? I'm interested, even if you disagree with what I've presented here today, please put your polite disagreements down below, because it's through a discussion of opposing ideas, or not necessarily opposing. You'll have an idea that's different from my way of looking at things, and when we come together, we may find that your way of looking at it and my way of looking at it, when we combine it, leads us to something entirely different that neither one of us was even considering. And so when people can politely disagree, they can learn from each other, leverage those viewpoints, and sometimes come up with something fantastic that didn't exist before, that included parts of both persons' perspectives. Anyway, enough of that. I hope that you'll like, subscribe, and hodl. In the meantime, I hope you have a fantastic day.